Happy weekend, everybody. Just wanted to give a update on my review of the maxx-tech R7303 6-inch random orbital sander. It is an amazing sander, especially if you have it hooked to a dust collector. Get that out of the way for a moment. It is a 6-inch, 5mm orbit, paddle switch, variable speed on the back, variable speed on the paddle. Dust collection does work very, very well. I've had that about a year now, and I have done numerous projects with it. One is the high boy, which you're going to see right here. There's about 250 board feet of lumber in that high boy. Total, rough guess. Between legs, sides, drawers, probably close to that. I can't complain. It's $259 on Amazon. It's an amazing sander, so much better than the big box store type sanders, the Bosch, the Makita. So much more stable. Does a much nicer job, much nicer finish. So if you're looking for a good sander, I really recommend maxx-tech. They're beautiful. You won't go wrong with it. So give it a shot. Thanks.